Okay, traders, it is time for a public service announcement to new members. I'm going to tell you the number one problem with learning our system, and it's absolutely true. So I'm going to bring over a post I just made in the group. First of all, how nice is this bounce at the bottom of my arrow? And here's the problem. We do have a high probability system, okay? We just do. But there's one problem with having a high probability system where you win 92% of the time, 92-ish% of the time. And here it is. We get so used to winning, it is hard to take a loss. So here's what happens. You're going to learn this system, and then there's going to be a period of 3 to 4 weeks you never have a losing day. You won't have one. And that is one of the worst things that can happen to you because I know what's going to happen next. I see it over and over. Here it is. You start to think you know what price is going to do. You start trying to jump in front of the trade before it happens because you have decided it's going to do X. It's going to fill a gap. It's going to take that liquidity down there. I know it's going to do that because I've been so successful the last 4 weeks. In fact, I've been so successful that this is the time I should put on more leverage. Yeah, because I know it's going to do that. I mean, look at my track record. System schmistum. I know it's going to do that. So I'm going to jump in line and get in front of this trade. And then you go back to really old habits, habits that you haven't had to do in a while. You add more leverage, you move your stop loss, you don't get out when you should, and boom, it blows up on you. So please be aware that there's going to come a time when you are 2, 3, 4 weeks, you haven't had a losing day, and you're going to start thinking that you know what price is going to do. You jump in front of it, and on this occasion, the market will humble you. Once you start feeling that level of overconfidence, the first thing you should do is drop your leverage big time. You've been trading 6 contracts, go to 1. You want to leverage bigger on this one, and you know it's not part of your system, alert, alert, alert. Red flags, sirens should be going off. So when you hit that 3 to 4 week win streak, you'd better be careful because this is where new members mess up. They start thinking they know what price is going to do. They jump in front of the trade. They do some sort of prediction trade that is not part of the system, but it kind of maybe is part of the system. But you know better than the system, so you're going to do the trade anyway. And then you add insult to injury by increasing your leverage, then adding leverage when it goes against you because you just know you're going to be right. And then you move your stop, and immediately you did the number one thing I tell you not to do. You make the situation worse. And you don't know how to get out. Well, I'm going to tell you, just get out. We have a high probability system. So let me read this again to you right here. There's one problem with a high probability system. Here it is. You will get used to winning, and it's hard to take a loss. But at the same token, it should be easy to take a loss. Why? Because we have another high probability trade right around the corner. Just take the loss and get out. And when you're most susceptible to this is after a long win streak. If you over leverage, you head to a loser, you move your stop, you're going to be humbled.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.